What if I told you you might already be dead? That right now, you're not experiencing your original life, but a parallel version where you survived. This isn't science fiction. It's a real theory called quantum immortality, and it suggests that consciousness never truly experiences death. Instead, it shifts to a reality where you're still alive. So, are you the original you, or just a version that hasn't died yet? Quantum immortality comes from the many worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics. In simple terms, every decision creates a split in reality, infinite parallel universes where every possible outcome exists. Now imagine this. If you were in a life-threatening situation, say, a car crash, some versions of you die, but others survive. According to quantum immortality, your consciousness only continues in the realities where you don't die. So from your perspective, you never truly experience death. Think of it like Russian roulette. If you play, there's a universe where the gun fires, and one where it doesn't. But you only experience the reality where it didn't. Over time, you might keep surviving against impossible odds, because the you that dies is no longer conscious to remember it. Now, this isn't something we can prove, but there are eerie stories that make you wonder. Physicists like Max Tegmark proposed a dark experiment, a machine that has a 50% chance of killing you every time you press a button. Statistically, you should die quickly, but if quantum immortality is real, from your perspective, you'd keep surviving no matter how unlikely. Some people who've had near-death experiences report strange things like déjà vu or memories of events that never happened. Could these be echoes of timelines where they did die? Why do so many people remember things differently? Berenstain Bears versus Berenstein, Sinbad's genie movie that never existed. Could these be proof of timeline shifts? But here's the terrifying part. If this is true, then every time you almost died, another version of you did. And if you live long enough, reality might start feeling off. Some theorists suggest that people who reach extreme old age might be the only version of themselves left. Every other timeline ended in death. Imagine being the last you in existence forever. And what about causing our own death? If consciousness jumps to a reality where you survived, does that mean some people are stuck in a loop of near-death experiences? So, are you already dead? Is this just one version of you that's still clinging to existence? Or is it all just a mind-bending theory with no real proof? Here's a question for you. Have you ever had a near-death experience? Or a moment where you should have died, but didn't? Maybe you felt reality shift in small, unexplainable ways. Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this dive into the unknown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell, because who knows, in another universe, you already did.